Yeah, I was talking to him. I was like, wait, are you that guy from Money Wash? And he's like, wait, what do you mean? And I was like, yeah, I rolled up in there and you thought it was Keith who was doing a little illegal stuff? I
Well,
just hit a guy on his fucking bike.
that was,
Are you alright? You alright, sir?
I'm good. I don't know about him.
I feel so damn terrible. You guys came flying around the corner and you just hit the front of me.
Yeah.
Scared the shit out of me.
Uh,
I really hope there's EMS for a poor guy. Oh, fuck.
uh,
I called EMS. Hopefully someone's around.
yeah, hopefully.
Like, goddamn, you guys gave me a fucking heart attack coming around the corner.
Yep, there's an abandoned vehicle right across from
Yeah.
Chops on the
I
other side of
mean,
the
he
median
was
thing.
he was coming in a little bit hot there. I mean, he does have a tendency not to use his brakes.
Yeah, I can notice. As soon as I was coming up, I heard a motorcycle, and I'm like, which direction are they
getting
coming from? Out of nowhere, you guys
Yeah.
appeared around this corner and hit me
Maybe
head
not.
on. Oh, fuck. You're gonna have to take care of that.
Yeah,
We just had a bit of an accident at the shop, and we have a guy that's possibly gonna die.
Oh Jesus, what happened?
He come flying around the corner, smacked into the front of my truck, and I didn't
I mean, I hope he
stop
didn't do
until
too much
he
damage to your
made
truck. I
contact.
mean, shit.
Yeah, these trucks are built tough, but riding a
You think you
bike,
could send
yeah,
him a
you ain't
message,
built
please?
tough. Yeah.
Yeah.
And I gotta feel terrible as hell if this guy dies.
I know.
I am 4.5 miles out.